As we've been reporting all morning long, sales of internet search giant Google soaring in the pre-market. The stock is soaring in the pre-market after the company reported sales and profits that beat analyst estimates. Clayton Moran is an analyst for Benchmark. He currently has a buy rating on Google. Joins us now on the phone from Boca Raton, Florida. And Clay, I was reading through your report that you put out earlier this morning. You said basically that what was encouraging was hearing CEO Larry Page's commentary about hiring and expenses. Elaborate on that for us.
Sure. Well, a big issue for investors has been the recent acceleration in costs, which has driven the EBITDA margin lower. There was, I think the uncertainty about that was increased because of the CEO change, which just occurred also. But Larry Page, the new CEO, got on the call last night and pretty clearly stated that the hiring process, while aggressive, is probably ahead of schedule, and therefore I think will probably slow a little bit going forward. And the overall lift in expenses seems to certainly be justified based on the revenue results, but also is not as out of control as some had feared.
What happened here in this quarter, Clay? Because months ago, people were writing off Google as a growth stock, and now suddenly people are, with these results, it's sort of like, oh my goodness, Google's back. What happened here?
Well, they've been investing not only in the search business, but in building a mobile business and a display business, and it seems like it's paying off on all fronts. So the combination of accelerated momentum across many different product lines drove a significant beat.
Would you attribute a lot of that to Larry Page?
Well, I mean, he's certainly, leading the company and now has shown a good start. I don't know if it's just him, but they've made continued search innovations, which are increasing their search market share and helping them monetize the searches they get better. And they're having some success in the new endeavors. So certainly he's doing well, but, the whole company is doing well.
What did you think of him on the call?
I thought it was very encouraging that he was on the call. I thought his commentary was also positive. So I think that was a plus to the stock as well.
One of the positives also in this report was hearing a bit more details about Google Plus, right, Clay, which is their newest venture into social networking. Let me just play for you. We have a sound or comments from a previous guest on our Bloomberg West program who is a Bloomberg Business Week contributor. And just hear what he had to say.
Facebook is now priced at about $100 billion. By the time the investment bankers are done with it, it'll be $250 billion. It goes out and the public buys it up like crazy. $500 billion. Come on, let's get real over here. If Google Plus does work by any chance, you're talking about a valuation dropping down to $5 billion, going to $1 billion. God knows, $35 million, do I hear?
Okay. So, Clay, I checked on Google's valuation. It's a $170 billion company. In any case, do you think that, are you as bullish, I would say, as this guest is on Google Plus being able to make that headway to Facebook?
I think Google Plus certainly off to a great start. They said they had over 10 million users last night. And yeah, I think Google Plus has a good opportunity here to grab share away from Facebook. Given that they have such a strong consumer brand and that they can integrate it with a lot of other products, I think Google Plus has a good chance to do fairly well. Now, it's a tough battle given that Facebook has such an entrenched position in social, and they'll be very difficult to really pull meaningful share very quickly. But it's a good start, and I think if anybody can do it, Google could.
Okay. Clay, thank you.